After a long day of taking care of your family, it is important to do some self-care. And skincare is self-care. Let's get started. Hey moms, my name is Michou and I help moms find ways to enjoy self-care and be the best version of themselves. On today's video, I'm going to show you a realistic nighttime skincare routine. So let's get started. Alright moms, so we're going to start by putting my hair away so it doesn't get wet. I don't know about you, but I feel like I'm refilling my cup when I'm doing my skincare at night. So it's really like self-care. Anyways, I'm trying to show you the products I use in the video. I'm only doing it a couple times because it's always blurry like you saw earlier. So please check the description box for the list of the products I used. But as you can see, I'm just removing my makeup right now. I'm using my Shieseido cotton. But you can use any cotton you have. Just make sure it doesn't have any of the grips on it. Make sure it's nice and soft. And yeah, just enjoy your self-care, enjoy your me time. And this is the second time you'll see me showing the products, but once again it's gonna be blurry. But yes, I do double cleanse at nighttime. As always, I try not to fast forward or cut too much of the footage when I do skincare so that you can see that it's very doable and very enjoyable, you know, because, you know, like I said, self-care, skincare is self-care. So I really want to enjoy this time, and you should too, because this is like the time you're refilling your battery before you go to sleep. And yes, this is realistic because this is pretty much what I do every night before I go to sleep. Maybe I cut off like just one product or two, but it's pretty much everything I do every time I wash my face at night. And I would like to know what you guys do for your nighttime routine. What steps, how many steps do you take before you go to sleep? Let me know in the comment below, okay? Alright moms, that's pretty much for today's video. Always remember, you need to take care of yourself to be able to take care of others. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye bye.